welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. This weekend we've had a delay with the truck racing due to an accident at the first corner, so I'm going to do a hairy biker's chili. But first, a cup of tea. Let's begin unless the race begins. Right, you shall need 500 grams of minced beef. I'm going to use 15% fat beef, and as you might be able to see, frozen because the fresh packs, I don't like the way they come. You then need one large onion, and I've got them in packs of 2. You're then going to need some garlic paste or some freshly crushed garlic. We're going to then want some mixed chilies. So I have some 2 out of 6, which for a supermarket means it's not hot at all. But I'd prefer that. I prefer not having it too hot in heat. We're now going to come on to all the spices that you need. So you will need 2 teaspoons of chili powder. And if you like a hot chili, then obviously go for a hot chili powder. I don't like it too hot, so I'm going for a mild. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. 2 teaspoons of ground coriander. 2 bay leaves if it's dried. If you can get fresh, then 1. 1 teaspoon of oregano. 150 millilitres of red wine. So this particular red wine is 187, so you can have a bit for yourself, but just get any red wine. 1 beef stock cube. A tin of red kidney beans. A tin of chopped tomatoes. A wonky can apparently. 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. I tend to use these double concentrated ones, but use whatever you've got. 1 teaspoon of caster sugar. If you don't have any caster sugar, just use whatever white sugar you've got. 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Salt. Pepper. And whatever rice you want to go along with this. First step. Add onions. Now add your mince. Want to brown everything, or at least wait until the mince is browned. So now the mince is browned. Want to add 2 teaspoons of chili powder, the ground cumin, the ground coriander, and the garlic. Now give this a quick mix. We now want to add the 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Again, mix this in well. We now want to add the wine. Give this another mix. Right, you want to rinse your kidney beans. All I did was I opened half the tin, poured it out, poured some water in, shook it about. Voila. Now need to add your tin tomatoes. Again, mix. Add your 3 teaspoons of tomato puree, and again mix in. Right, now add your chilies, and again stir in. Right, now this is all mixed in. We want to start adding the beef stock. Again, stir in. Right, so effectively we are just adding the last bits of ingredients. So 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, salt, pepper, bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of oregano, which I'm actually now out of. Right, we're now ready to simmer this. So turn the heat down, have the lid loosely on, and just stir this every 10 minutes. And we're going to do this for 40 minutes. So we're about 20 minutes in, it's begun to thicken up. What I'm going to do now is, whilst doing that, going to prepare the rice. So I have got 2 cups of rice, and I have put 4 cups in there. So that will give me 4 portions. So one of these cups, which says 160 on it. I don't know if that's millimeters or whatever. So there you go. You can see it's thickening up. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cook the rice, and as soon as the rice is done, I'm going to serve it. Right. Let's give this a go. So I apologise, I managed to rub some chilli powder in my eye, which is very stupid. Oh, okay, that took me by surprise. This is supposed to be medium. For me, that's hot. Right. Okay, so I need some cream or something. So it tastes good, but my problem with hot curries and everything else is just the heat. Right, it's not completely blown my head off, so yeah, so it's okay. But next time I may use half the chili powder and half the chilies. If you like hot chilies, that's got lots of flavour in. You can taste herbs. Obviously, I've removed the bay leaves. Yeah, give that a go, and don't put too much chili for what you want in it. That's okay. Goodbye.